Good morning, guys. Today is on a Friday, and it means that I'll be going home. I enjoy Fridays because I get to see my parents and my brother and my sister. So I'm currently at the rooftop of the building that I stay in, and at the bottom, I'll show you where I park my car. Yeah, so you can see it's the last one just below the tanks, and I park it there sometimes. Then I reverse it all the way to this gate. Yeah. So I'll show you my Friday routine. The whole thing. Nothing will be cut. Let's go. Now let's reverse to the gate. Let's reverse to the gate. Out of the parking. Now let's go to work. Guys, we are at work and it's Friday, so let's take it easy. guys, it's currently 4 p.m. I just left work early. I'm on the expressway heading home. So guys, this is how the expressway toll station looks like. So I have to give this receipt, then I get to pay. What's up guys? I'm almost getting home, and thank God it's Friday. It's a Friday feeling. I'll see you in the next vlog tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.